जुटी हुई है। तालियां बज जानी चाहिए इसके लिए। और 82%, 82% जनता जो है उसने बिल्कुल सही उत्तर दिया। ए, बी और सी को मिले हैं 11, 5 और 2%। 674 crore rupees spent by Reliance for CSR. Well done, Reliance. ईशा, हमने सुना है कि आप अपनी माताश्री के साथ, नीताजी के साथ बहुत से सोशल कार्यों में आप मदद करती हैं. You join her and you're working together in a lot of social causes. Would you like to talk about it?
Sure, and actually it's not just me, but Anant and Akash also join me all the time. But something that's really close to my heart is, and I think all of us really, is that we feel really fortunate to have received an education that we cherish. And it's our hope that every child in India has access to the same kind of education. So along with the Reliance Foundation, we want to work to make sure that education is accessible to all kids.
Well done. तालियां बज जानी चाहिए इस ख्याल के लिए. I wish you all the very success. Isha, it's a wonderful thought, and I think that I hope that you're successful in what you're doing, because education is so important and so necessary for all kids, especially for the girl child.
Yes, totally agree.
In many of my acquaintances that I've had with contestants on KBC, a lot of girls come there, a lot of women come there, और उन सब ने कहा कि हमारे गांव में जब हमें शिक्षा मिली तो हमको 8वीं क्लास में जाकर के रोक दिया और कहा कि अब इसके आगे क्या पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि तुम्हारी तो शादी हो जाएगी, तुम चौका वौका चलाना सीखो, शिक्षा करने की क्या ज़रूरत है. मुझे इस बात से सख्त नफरत है, बहुत बुरा लगा. एक महिला थी, उसने विरोध किया. शी वेंट अगेंस्ट her parents. She wanted to continue studying. They threw her out of the house. She went to her grandmother's house. She also was maltreated there, but she continued to study on her own. And one day she has landed up on the hot seat in KBC.
Wow.
And won 25 lakh rupees.
That's amazing.
और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने उस लड़की से पूछा कि ये 25 लाख रुपए का चेक है आपके पास, क्या करना चाहेंगी. उन्होंने कहा ये चेक मैं अपने बाप को जाके दिखाऊंगी, बोलूंगी कि एक बेटी भी घर में एक बहुत बड़ा स्थान रखती है. So when you take up this education, you must insist that equal kind of education is given to the girl child as well, because you know Gandhiji said that if you educate one man, you educate one person, but if you educate a girl, you educate an entire family. Well done. Wonderful thoughts. Moving on to the next question. और अगला प्रश्न आपके सामने ये रहा. How many customers shop at Reliance retail stores every month? How many customers? Reliance retail store में एक महीने में आने वाले ग्राहकों की संख्या आमतौर पर कितनी होती है, ये प्रश्न है. और आपके ऑप्शंस हैं ये आपके सामने. A, 10 lakhs, B, 50 lakhs, C, 2.5 crores, or is it D, 1.5 crores?
We don't have any lifelines, right?
No lifelines.
Otherwise, we could have asked Pankaj.
But
You
I
know the
spoke to him
answer?
recently and he happened to tell me the fact that I think it's 1.5 crores. 1.5 crores.
1.5 crores. Anant, are you okay with
Yep.
this? Isha?
Yes. If they're confident, I'm confident. I just know how much aluminum foil they make.
D पे ताला लगा दिया जाए. Committee महाशय, D, 1.5 crores. ताला लगा जाए. Is the right answer. Well played. 1.5 crores. हमारे देश के 800 शहरों में, बता दूं आपको, रिलायंस रिटेल के 3,700 स्टोर्स हैं, और हर 100 व्यक्तियों में से एक व्यक्ति अपनी ज़रूरत का सामान, जैसे कि ग्रोसरी है, अपैरल है, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, फुटवेयर है, ये वगैरह वगैरह, ये रिलायंस रिटेल स्टोर से खरीदी जाती है. That's a huge amount of patronage to Reliance Retail. Well done, Reliance. And well done, Mukesh bhai. That's great, great. Absolutely great. और इस प्रश्न का सही उत्तर दिया हमारी जो जनता खेल रही थी हमारे साथ, 78% of the people got it right. The others got 4, 9 and 9%. Well done. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगला प्रश्न आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर ये रहा. In how many days did Jio acquire its first 100 million